This building material is actually made out of recycled styrofoam. It's eco-friendly, it's great insulation, and perhaps most importantly is it's non-combustible. It won't burn down or explode in a fire. I'm Kate Cagle in the Sunset Mesa neighborhood with how these homeowners are building back a more fire-safe community. Putting flame to foam. This quick demo with a blowtorch shows what will happen next time a wildfire reaches Karen Martinez's doorstep. She's building her new house with fire-resistant material called insulated composite concrete form.
Probably the best part, which I love, is it's comparable in price or even a little less than building with wood. So it's like, yeah.
Martinez is on the fast track to rebuilding because she's an experienced owner-developer with 6 homes in the Palisades already under her belt.
It helps because it's my own project and, you know, that's my primary focus, so I can zoom it through.
This material has been approved for building in the city of Los Angeles for decades, but not the county. And since her property falls in the county's territory, Martinez spearheaded a months-long process getting it approved. Now that she did, she says her neighbors will use it too. The hope is that their new builds will get insurance. The fear over insurance is real. 7 years after the Camp Fire destroyed Paradise, only one private insurance company has returned, Mercury. The company's president, Victor Joseph, was on site in the Palisades to see the material.
This is the type of construction for which we offer the most incentives as an insurance company, so we do believe in this as a solution or part of a solution to the wildfire problem that we're facing.
Carmen Balber at Consumer Watchdog says California needs to do more to guarantee homeowners who build fire-safe houses can get off the California Fair Plan, the insurer of last resort.
We want California to be built safer. And if we want to protect our communities as a state from fires in the future, we need to create greater incentives for building wildfire safe. And without that insurance guarantee, we are putting a roadblock in front of ourselves.
There's a moratorium on private insurance companies dropping more policies in the Palisades and Altadena burn areas. It ends in January. Martinez is encouraged by today's demo that Mercury will offer her a policy with discounts on fire coverage.
I'm looking big picture. Like, I think every single house going forward should be built with something that's non-combustible. You know, like, why are we still building with wood when wood burns?
She's on track to be home by this time next year, hoping her neighbors won't be far behind.